Hi guys, you're welcome to today's tutorial. You're welcome to Maths with Kazim. In today's tutorial, we're going to be covering division of complex number. In our previous video, we have already discussed the introduction, addition, multiplication, and conjugates of complex number. In this video, we're going to tackle the division of complex number. So let's get into business straight. If you have first complex number, which is z1 to be equal to a plus bi, and you have z2 to be equal x plus yi, then if you are to find the ratio of z1 over z2, you're going to have a plus bi over x plus yi. To calculate this, we have already done the concept of conjugate in our previous video, so if you have not watched it, just go back and watch the video. It's titled Conjugates of Complex Number. So to simplify this, what you're going to do is multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the question by the conjugate of the denominator. So you're going to have a plus bi over x plus yi, all multiplied by what the conjugate of this guy here is going to give us what? X minus yi over what? X minus what? Yi. If you look at this critically, you will notice that we don't have we haven't done anything, because x minus yi over x minus yi is just 1. It's just 1, so you just have 1 over 1. But we decided to do it like this so that and then if we, let me bring this and make it smaller. Then if we look at this, you're going to have a denominator to be what? A plus bi x minus yi, and in the denominator you're going to have difference of 2 square, which is x square minus yi square. Yeah, so let's take a beautiful problem and then let's solve it. Let's take a beautiful problem. Alright, so if you have a problem, say you have z1 to be equal to, then my equal sign is not good. If you have z1 to be equal to 1 plus 2i, and z2 to be equal to 2 plus 3i, and you're required to find z1, z2, you're required to find, let me just make this smaller, Alright, beautiful. If you are required to find z1 over z2, you're going to have z1 over z2 now will be equal to 1 plus 2i over, this is supposed to be 3, 2 plus 3i over 2 plus 3i. So if you multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, you're going to have 1 plus 2i multiplied by 2 minus 3i all over 2 minus, all over 2 square minus 3i square. That is what we've already discussed just now. So let's erase this. And move this here. Move this here. Yeah, let's move this here. So if we simplify this, if we open the bracket, 1 times of 2, it's 2. 1 times minus 3i, you have minus 2i. 2i times 2, you have plus 4i. And you have 2i times minus 3, you're going to have minus 6i square. Remember that I squared is equal to -1. So here, if you square this, you're going to have 4 minus here, you're going to have 3 squared, that is 9. Then I square is what? Minus 1. So from here, if you simplify this i's, this minus 3i and the 4i, you're going to have 2 minus 3i plus 4i is going to give us I, that is plus I. Then you have I squared is minus 1 multiplied by this, you're going to have plus 6 all over 9 plus 4 plus 9. So let's erase this so that we can have some space here. Let's bring this one here. Good. Alright, so from here we can add the 2 and the 6 together to give us 2 plus 6, that's going to give us 8 plus I over 9 plus 4, that's going to give us 13. So this is our answer. You can decide to write it as 13 over 8 plus I over 13. This is Z1 over Z2, which is our Z1 over Z2. So Z1 over Z2, it's equal to this. So thank you very much for watching. And please do hit the like button, comment, like, and then you can also tell us where you're watching from, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video you can be notified. Thank you very much for watching. Do have a nice time. Bye.